Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good day. This is Nafiza Sultana Jui. I'm a first year student of College of Nursing, Sher-e-Bangla, Dhaka. Thank you, sir, for giving the nice floor. Today I'm here to talk to you about the importance of English for nurses. I'd like to present it now. First of all, the English language is one of the most dominating languages in the world, which is having its impact in every sector of work. Undoubtedly, which play a great role that it is inevitable for people to ignore it fully. In a word, the English language is spoken and learned by millions and even billions of people, either as their first language or second language. Being a nurse, we would have to deal with people of all races. If we can't communicate because of different first language, then English would be the best option. The main thing is we're the students of BSc Nursing, and this course is totally English based. So there are huge importance of English. Without knowing English, a nurse can't be successful in his or her career. So there is no alternative of knowing English. After that, the nursing course is the part and parcel of a medical science. All the books of medical science are written in English. So we can say the language of medical science is English. It is bigger description, the importance of English for nurses. Afterwards, a nurse, qualified nurse, is not for his or her homeland only. He or she is for the entire world. For this, English as an international language is so much important to communicate to people of all races in any countries of the world. There are many illustrations like Florence Nightingale, Linda Research, Margaret Sanger, Dorothy Dix, Henderson, etc. They worked for all peoples of the integrated world. A qualified nurse have to gain all aspects of English language skill like speaking, reading, listening, writing, etc. These are the main skills of English language. English is a skill-based language, and a nurse should have captured all skills of English language. Because if they want to complete higher education in nursing, like masters in nursing science, doctor degree in nursing, then they must know English truly. Besides, we know the nursing profession posts a high level of job satisfaction, and there are ample of job opportunities in our country and abroad. A nurse who intends to get the scope, he or she must know English properly, and the importance of English is needless to say. Good English language communication skills are very important for nurses as they are caregiver to patient, deal with medical support staff, and to the relatives of the patient. Then many nurses would love the opportunity to work as a first-line caregiver. Then in this case, English is vital to communicate with the patient. English is the biggest communication language, and knowing English would help the patients, would help the nurse to communicate with patients and other clients. And finally, if we want to be literate internationally, um, we must know English properly. Otherwise, we will be marked as internationally illiterate. That's all about today's topic for the time being. Thanks for hearing me. Allah Hafiz.